How to cancel flight ticket on booking.com. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to cancel flight ticket if you have already booked one on booking.com. So as you can see, I'm currently logged into my booking.com official website and I've already created an account. So for now I haven't had any booking for my flight. So you can basically, in your case, if you have booked any flight, then just head over to this flight section from over here by the navigation bar, and here right under this right section there should be three dot icon or cancel button right next to it, and you can simply tap on that particular button to simply cancel it. And just make sure that you have cancelled or ordered the refund within the 24 hours or according to the flight policy about how they want, because they might also charge you if you have cancelled flight right before the flight takes or very near to the time when flight is around taking off. So always make sure to check out the policy, and once you do that, it's all good to cancel from over here as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.